Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to talk about top 5 free websites where you can learn cybersecurity, and also I am adding some bonus YouTube channels where you can learn cybersecurity for free. But uh, before start this video, I just want to let you know that all the websites or YouTube channels I talk about in this video, all the details I have given to my Telegram channel. So if you have not joined the channel yet, just join it. What are you waiting for? And I also make a how to start cybersecurity as a beginner, a roadmap, basically a roadmap. That's also I provide in my Telegram channel. So if you have not joined my channel yet, just join it. So without wasting your time, let's start today's video. So let's roll the intro. So first on our list is Cybrary. This website and YouTube channel can offer you a wide range of cybersecurity courses and video tutorials for free and also paid. So if you want to start a career in cybersecurity and you are a beginner, this website I think best for you to start. Here you can explore their free materials to dive into the interactive learning, hands-on labs, and gain foundational knowledge in cybersecurity. So this is the first website, and I think this is the best for a beginner who can just start to learn how to get into cybersecurity, or what the things you need to learn first. So I think this is the first website where you can you can roll into and just start with your cybersecurity career as a beginner. Next up, we have Open Security Training. This website provides a wealth of free and open source training materials on various cybersecurity subjects. So if you want to start from networking, this website I think best for you, because here you can learn network security to reverse engineering, all of this, and their resources are designed to help you develop your practical skills and go deepen in your understanding of different areas within cybersecurity. So if you want to start learning from network security, I think this is the place where you need to go. So just roll into their website and start learning from today. The third one is Metasploit Unleashed. For those who are interested in learning about penetration testing and ethical hacking, Metasploit Unleashed is an excellent resource developed by the creators of the popular Metasploit framework, and this website offers free comprehensive guides and tutorials on using Metasploit for penetration testing purposes. So if you have a knowledge of basic networking and just basics of ethical hacking, this website is the best for you to go on your road. So I think if you want to be a penetration tester or you want to interested in ethical hacking, I think this website is best for you to start. So just roll into their website and start learning today. The fourth one is OWASP. The Open Web Application Security Project is a non-profit organization dedicated to improving software security, and this website provides a vast array of free educational materials like tutorials and resources related web application security. So if you are a web developer or if you want to be a web application security tester, this website is best for you to start. And with this website, you stay up to date with the latest vulnerabilities and learn best practices for securing your web application. So if you want to start a career in web application security, I think this is the place where you want to go first and start your learning today. So just roll into their website and start learning today. And don't worry about the links. I provide all the links in my Telegram channel. So just join my Telegram channel and just start from there. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, just subscribe my channel, because I provide you this type of content on cybersecurity. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. The fifth one is the Cyber Mentor YouTube channel. This is a popular YouTube channel that offers free cybersecurity tutorials and walkthroughs. Heath Adams, the creator of the channel, provides practical guidance on topics like ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity career advice. And I am telling you personally, I also learned from this channel, and this channel is I think second or third best channel in YouTube about cybersecurity. So if you want to learn from real world examples and gain insights from an experienced cybersecurity professional, this is the place where you need to go. So guys, this is the 5 websites and also YouTube channels where you can start your cybersecurity career, and just start with them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and share with your friend, and also subscribe my channel. And guys, I'm always trying to give you a best path or best knowledge of cybersecurity as much as I can. I am sorry about my audio or video. I'm sorry about those things because I am not a popular YouTuber who makes videos on this. I am just starting my career as a YouTuber, so I need your support, and I hope you all give it to me. So guys, that's it for today. We are going to meet on next video. And if you like this video, just like this video and subscribe my channel. And guys, I need all of your support, because if you support me, I can be a more active on the channel, and I also try to get most of myself to give you the knowledge of cybersecurity. So guys, just support me, and I will provide all the things you need to start a cybersecurity career. So that's it guys, let's end the video here, and we will meet on the next video. So till then, take care, and just learn.